Hello and welcome to today's Poofy Cheeks padlock demonstration. Yes, I'm kind of imitating dieselducy's intro. Anyway, I'll set some of this stuff aside. I've had the power off for like 9 hours, and my room is kind of a mess because I kind of had to stay in here because of the heat. It's getting really cold, so I had to drink Pepsi and stuff. But what do you know? Stuff aside here. I don't know if this is going to show up on camera. Today's padlock is an exciting one. It's a Brinks brass with a steel shackle. It's an interesting lock. It's got a, see here, the 6-pin lock. As you can see by the number of teeth on the thing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess it's only a 5. Might be a 6. I'm not sure. If someone knows about locks like Jimster or dieselducy, please comment and let me know. Today we're going to open this one. Here we go. There we go. Ready? Now you can see right there and right there is where your piece is going to be to hold the lock. Listen to it close. Nowhere near as nice as the best locks. Here's the core. This one, however, is not interchangeable. We use the key as it has a hole right here for whatever reason, and the core is not interchangeable. You have to push up on the lock, on the key, to make it work. Turning it, well, it just does sometimes. This one had some loose springs in it. Like I said earlier, brass body, steel shackle. It's hardened steel now, so if you actually struck this really hard, it might shatter. So even though it is steel, hardened steel is actually a little more fragile, but it's more resistant to cutting. So it's very strong, but under some conditions, if not milled properly, I'll say it like that, it's not forged right, that's the correct term, and it has a lot of defects in the metal, it can shatter. So I doubt that's the case with these because they're closely monitored on their quality, and I'm pretty sure that Brinks doesn't want to hear about people hitting their locks with hammers and being able to shatter the shackles. We'll open it for you a few more times. You can hear that mechanism in there releasing shackle. Here's a view inside. I don't know if you guys can see it very good. And that's it.